Dear students, in my last video, I explained you what are articles and how to write articles. I gave you important tips for writing articles on different objects. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you some important tips, some useful tips for writing article on particular things. Like in my last video, I showed a picture of a pen. Then I asked you that if we have to write the article on the pen, we have to start with the proper format of the article. Now, after that format, what we have to write? So, we chose the object pen. So in this pen itself, when we have to write few lines on it, we can mention the type of pen, whether the pen is of gel or ballpoint pen. So if your pen is gel, then you can write its company's name, then you can describe its body. So the body part can be explained that whether it is of metal or of plastic, and then you can mention the color of the pen. Then you can explain the usefulness of the pen, that for what purpose the pen is used. You can also add the importance of pen in students' life. So that will be the main attraction of the pen, that in students' life pen is the most important, as every time whenever they have to write in their copies they need pen. Then the last thing which you can add in that can be your conclusion. So in conclusion part we can write the importance of pen, and in today's world, like nobody can imagine the world without pen whenever they have to write anything. So in this type you can write your article. Now if we take the another object, if we have to write an more article on a different object, that can be your fan, so you can choose these kinds of tips for that also. That is, first of all you have to mention its kind of device. That means it is, you can write that fan is electric device means it works on electricity. Then in what season it is used, so you can mention we need the fan in summer season. Then you can mention the different types of fan, as we have different types of fan, like the ceiling fans, table fans, exhaust fans. So these kinds of fans you can mention. Then you can mention the different companies of different fans, that fans are available of different companies. Then you can describe the its body features, like its body is of plastic or metal. Then the flaps are there, so how they are moving. And in the conclusion part you can add that without fan in summers the temperature will be very high. So the last line can be added in this manner also, like the fan is the important device which cools down the temperature को जो कम करता है. Next we can take one more object and we can write an article on that also, that is of book. So book, you can write the importance of books, like you have read many times that books are the best friends of human beings. All persons of all different ages read the books. So here you can write the importance of books as a student. Then you can mention the types of books, how many types of books are there. Some books are meant for entertainment and some for as study material. Then you can describe the books, description of book should be there. The particular, if the picture is drawn of a particular book, then you can describe that what is the type of book, for what purpose you are using that book. what is there in that book. Then importance in students' life. So you can mention the importance of book in a student's life, that how it is helping to you to increase the knowledge, to get knowledge throughout the world. So, and in the conclusion part, you can add that these are the books only. Even if we are not going to any part of the world, still we can know many things about different part of the world through these books. So, in this manner, you can write your different articles on different objects. So many objects are also there, like the you have water bottles with you, you have geometry boxes with you, you have pencils, erasers, sharpener. You can write articles, small articles on all these things. The only things is you have to keep some of the points, useful points in your mind, and then you have to write few lines on that. For writing article, I would like to tell you that you have to draw picture also. First of all, you have to draw the picture and then you have to explain. I hope this video will help you a lot to write your articles.